How to fix Google Meet voice cracking problem. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, like you are facing the voice cracking problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So guys, here if you are facing the cracking voice on your Google Meet device while taking the meeting, then the first thing is make sure that your internet connection is well okay and good. If your network connection is not good, then try to change the network and then your problem will be solved. So if it is not working, if this solution is not working, if your voice is again cracking, then what you need to do here, you have to watch the video till the end. I'm gonna show you some tricks here. So you have to go to phone settings here and then go to app management or install apps, that is on your settings, and go to app manage or app list. Here now you have to search for Meet. So let me just search for Meet here. Here you can see this is Google Meet, and then now what you have to do, simply you need to click on force stop button and then you have to stop the first. Now after this you have to click on storage usage and then you have to clear the caches as well as the data. Now go back and here scroll down, here you will find an option, permission option. Simply click on this permission option and then here you can see microphone. Simply click on microphone and allow the permission, and as well as you have to allow this phone permission, camera permission, and contact permission. The most importantly, microphone permission should be allowed. So it's done, so you can now try it out, it will work for you. So guys, if it is not working, no need to worry, I'm gonna say you something again. You have to go to Play Store and then here you have to search for Google Meet. So after searching for Google Meet, here you can see if you find this type of update option, simply update it and then your problem will be solved. So guys, in this way you can fix this Google Meet voice cracking problem. And also if it is not working, then what you need to do here, you have to simply comment down on my comment box. I will make another video that will surely help you out and will be solved your problem. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.